Hello children. Now we are left with deuteromycetes to cover in the classes of kingdom fungi. You have done all the three other classes, and now we'll be taking up the last one, that is deuteromycetes. Okay, that is often termed as fungi imperfecti. Unusual name, isn't it? Fungi imperfecti. The name indicates that this fungus is imperfect. But then why imperfect? That is what we need to explore here. Now try and understand this, that in a life cycle you have both the phases, the sexual and the asexual. And usually when they are present, supposingly one is not present at all, the asexual mode of reproduction or sexual mode of reproduction is completely missing, then it's fine. But then if sexual and asexual modes both are present in the life cycle of any organism, they should be shown at some point of time. Like if you will study that organism multiple times, at least once you will get to see both sexual and asexual modes in the form of complete life cycle, and that is how we study any particular organism or a life cycle of any type. We have to wait to get the entire life cycle. Now what happens in at certain examples, there are certain examples that were seen where sexual mode of reproduction was completely missing. Only asexual mode could be seen separately. So asexual mode of reproduction was seen without any kind of sexual reproduction, and thus these fungi were given a certain name, were kept under certain genus and species, and they were kept under the class deuteromycetes. The fungi that are imperfect because they don't have a sexual life at all. So no sexual life cycle being followed, and hence the name fungi imperfecti. They will only show reproductive growth in the form of asexual or vegetative. I mean, they won't be rather any reproductive growth. There will be asexual growth and vegetative growth. Okay, so such are termed as fungi imperfecti or the imperfect fungus. Now what happened was, there were certain fungi that were under deuteromycetes, but then later on sexual forms of these fungi under deuteromycetes were also discovered. That is, their sexual life cycles, that means organisms of similar type showing sexual life cycle, were also seen. So once their sexual forms were established, they were moved to the category where they were suiting the best. Like those who were showing the characteristics of basidiomycetes as sexual reproduction, they were sent to basidiomycetes. And the ones that were showing similarity with ascomycetes, they were sent to ascomycetes. So you must remember that their sexual forms were not showing asexual form or modes. They were only showing the sexual form. So the sexual forms were given another set of names, and they were sent to basidiomycetes and ascomycetes. Whereas the asexual forms with another name were still residing with deuteromycetes. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind, that when the correct linkages were found or were discovered, then they were correctly identified and moved out of deuteromycetes to either asco or basidiomycetes. Now reproduce asexually by conidia, because you already have studied that there is no sexual mode found. Mycelium is septate and branched. Unlike phycomycetes, where you had unbranched and aseptate system, that is why they are not reportedly sent to phycomycetes. They either belong to ascomycetes or basidiomycetes, because the characteristics match to these. Then they might be saprophytes or parasites or decomposers. They are helping in mineral cycling. Mineral cycling means breaking down of bigger molecules into smaller molecules, the ones that could be returned back to nature. So they are the ones that are helpful in disintegrating litter, and thus they are returning the minerals, the molecules, back to the nature. Now examples are like that. You will have a cat here. Now a cat will have Colletotrichum, a cat will have Alternaria, and a cat will have Trichoderma. So Colletotrichum, Alternaria, Trichoderma, CAT. Brushing it up, basidiomycetes are known as fungi imperfecti or imperfect fungi due to the discovery of sexual modes and asexual modes separately. Primarily, sexual mode was seen of these particular members, and since only asexual mode was found and no sexual connection was there, they were kept under deuteromycetes. That is the place where all the fungi that are lacking sexual mode of reproduction and are only showing asexual mode of reproduction are kept. And later, when their sexual forms were found or discovered, they were moved to the category that suited them better, and basically to ascomycetes and basidiomycetes, and the asexual form was still detained by deuteromycetes. Now reproduce asexually, as you have already known. Then mycelium is septate branched and they are helping in mineral cycling. Example is cat, Colletotrichum, Alternaria and Trichoderma. So I am sure after going through all the videos in a series, you will have quite a decent knowledge about kingdom fungi as per your CBSE recommendation. We will come up with another topic. Okay. Till then, you prepare these notes well and try to look up for more examples.